Safety rules. Accidents are caused due to our carelessness. If we want to keep ourselves safe, we should follow some safety rules in our everyday life. Safety at home. There are many things in our house which can cause accidents if we are careless in handling them, so we should follow some safety rules. Safety in the kitchen. Do not play with matchboxes, knives, and other sharp objects. Do not go near guests wearing synthetic clothes, they might catch fire. Use a kitchen towel or pot holder to handle hot objects. Check whether the oven, toaster, and other cooking appliances are turned off before you leave the kitchen. Keep electrical appliances away from water to avoid shocks. Do not touch electrical sockets with wet hands. Avoid spilling on the floor or wipe up spills right away so that no. Switch off the gas stove when not in use. Check the gas pipes regularly to avoid leakage. Safety in the bathroom. Do not leave the soap bar on the floor. You may slip and get hurt. Keep it in the soap case. Do not spill detergents or shampoos on the floor. The floor gets slippery and you may fall down. Do not play with sharp objects like scissors, blades, razors, etc. Do not touch electrical equipment with wet hands. Do not open the hot water tap yourself, it may burn your hand. After using the bathroom, clean it and wipe the floor. Safety at other places. Wipe the spills on the floor immediately to avoid slipping. Do not run, jump and skip over stairs. Do not leave the toys on the floor after playing. You may trip and fall down. Do not play in the rooms or jump over the furniture. Do not touch electrical switches or equipment with wet hands. Do not go too close to heater or hot iron. Do not take a medicine without asking an adult. Do not play with things made of glass. It may break and cut your skin. Safety at school. In school, we should follow some safety rules to avoid accidents. Do not run up and down the stairs or slide over the banisters. Do not push anybody while moving in queue or on stairs. Do not play in the classroom and jump over desks. Do not throw paper balls, chalks, pencils, and other objects at one another. Handle the objects carefully in the lab. Do not fight with anybody. Safety on road. Do not run or play on the road. Do not walk on the wrong side or center of the road. Always use pavement for walking. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing or use subway or overbridge. If there is no zebra crossing, find the safest place to cross the road. Look at your right, then left, and then again right, then cross the road. Always cross the road when traffic light is red. Keep watching the coming traffic while crossing the road. Never cross the road while talking to people, listening to music, or talking on phones. Safety while riding a bicycle. Always wear a well-fitted helmet to protect your head. Do not wear loose or flared clothes. Make sure your shoelaces are tied properly. Before riding, check your bicycle gears, brakes, seat, handles, and tires properly. Use hand signals while crossing or turning to left or right. Do not use earphones while riding. Follow the traffic signs and traffic lights. Safety while traveling in a bus or a car. Make a queue while getting in and down the bus. Do not push anybody while getting in and out of the bus and also in the moving bus. Do not disturb the driver of the bus or car. Always fasten your seat belt while traveling in a car. Do not keep any part of your body out of the window of the moving vehicle. Always get down on safe side of the bus or car. First aid. First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Follow the simple first aid steps. Do not crowd around the injured person. Make the person lie down or sit calmly. Call an adult immediately, then the doctor. Take the person to the nearby hospital. Tips for cuts and wounds. Wash the cut or wound with clean, cool water or with an antiseptic lotion. Apply antiseptic cream over the major cut or wound. For minor cut, put an adhesive bandage. Tips for burns. Minor burns are cooled down under cold water or by putting ice pack. Apply antiseptic lotion or burn cream on it. Tips for insect bites. Apply calamine lotion on the affected area. Apply a paste of baking soda or antiseptic cream in case of bees biting. Tips for faints. Lie down the person immediately with head lower than the body. Do not crowd around him, let the person breathe fresh air. Call the doctor immediately. First aid kit. A first aid kit must have the following things: first aid book, adhesive bandages, crepe bandage, cotton roll, antiseptic wipes, antiseptic soap, antiseptic creams, antiseptic lotions, tweezers and scissors, calamine lotion, thermometer, a pencil torch.